A young journalist recently asked me for advice. She'd done promising work, but was feeling pressure from family and friends to choose a more stable career. She wanted to know if it was worth it to stick it out in journalism. We emailed back and forth for a bit before she answered her own question. She found that she didn't really have an option. She had experienced the rush that comes from reporting and couldn't imagine ever doing anything else. I recognize that feeling because it's one I and almost every other journalist know. No matter how long I've worked as a reporter or how many courses I've taught on the topic, I always learn something new. It's this sense of discovery that keeps me in the field and keeps me teaching the basics of what I consider one of the best professions out there. I love to see the look of wonder on my students' faces when they learn what journalism makes possible. There's the power of information, most notably shown in investigative pieces that keep government, business, and non-government organizations in check. There's the beauty of experiencing a different culture in a more intimate way than you would as a typical tourist. And for me, there's the gift of travel. I've been lucky enough to visit Africa 3 times, each time on different assignments. I've traveled down coal mines in Ukraine, walked through a former minefield in Mozambique, and made homemade tamales in remote villages in Guatemala, all in the name of journalism. Journalism also opens borders closer to home, as I learned from my students, seeing the unique ideas they come up with when they realize that journalism means following their curiosity. I can't wait to begin this adventure with you.